Hello everyone. Today we are going to solve Skillrack daily test. The question what is given is nth term powers of 2. The program must accept an integer n as the input. The program must print the nth term in the following sequence. Some sequence is given and the explanation is also given below. 0 to 2 power 1 minus 1, which is 0 to 1. Yes, 0 to 1 is present. After that 0 to 2 power 2 minus 1, which is 0, 1, 2, 3. 0 to 3. So 0 to 1, 2, 3 is also present, and then 0 to 2 power 3 minus 1, which is 0 to 2 power 7. 2 power 3 is 8, 8 minus 1 is 7, 0 to 7, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Yes, it is also there. And 0 to 2 power 4 minus 1, which is 0 to 15, 0 to 15 is also there. After that 0 to 2 power 5 minus 1, like that the sequence is going on. Optimize your logic to avoid time limit exceeded error. Okay, the boundary condition is 1 to 10 power 18. If you're using in C or Java language, use long integer. Python, there is no restriction as the default value itself holds the maximum value range. Okay, let's go with Python. What is given? 5. The fifth integer is 2. Let's see in the sequence. First, second, third, fourth, fifth. The fifth integer in the sequence is 2. 28, 13. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20, 22, 24, 26, 28. The 28th term. Okay, 13. So like that we have to print. Let's change this. Okay. N equal to int of input. We got the n. Then we have to find that term. So going to use a while loop. While I'm going to lose length equal to 0. Yes, if length. Oh, the intention to solve the problem is first we are going to keep on adding the number of terms 0 to 2 power 1 minus 1, which will have two terms, then 0 to 2 power 2 minus 1, which will have four terms in terms of power of 2. First sequence will have this, first set will have 2, then the other will have 4, then the other will have 8, and the other will have 16. So it's like 2, 4, 8, 16 keep on getting added. So by adding the length, we are going to find the number of at which place the sequence falls. For example, 5. Initially 2. No, it is not comes under 2. Then 2 plus 4, 6. Yes, this 5 is falling below 6, which is 2 power 2. In the range of 2 power 2, it getting followed. So we are going to find that term and the range getting minimum, as the fifth term is in a broad range. We are getting into at which category it falls, whether it is 2 power 1 or 2 power 2 or 2 power 3, under which category the term which is given comes under which category, either this in this or in this or in this. So we are going to find under which category it falls, and that in that category where exactly it occurs. Okay, the length should be less than n, then only the loop should run, and the index value also showing 0. Okay, length plus equal to power of 2 comma index, and the index should be added. Okay, I'm going to add like 2 power. Okay, length should, okay, index should be 1 because it is given 2 power 1 minus 1. Initially the loop length will be 0 less than n, then the 2 power 1 minus 2 power 1, which is 2 getting added to the length, then 4 getting added to the length. So we are going to find at which category this falls. If that is greater, the length becomes greater, the loop terminates. So after that, what we are going to do? Okay, for example, we can come this 28. Okay, the output is for 28, the output is 13. Okay, let's try to decode this. For initially, the length is 0, which is less than n, which is nothing but 28. 0 is less than 28, yes. Then the length becomes 2 because the index is 1. Then the length becomes 2. 2 is less than 28, yes. 2 is less than 28. Then the length becomes, initially there is 2 plus 4 is getting added. Okay, length plus equal to power of 2 comma index means length equal to length plus power of 2 comma index. So now the value of length becomes 6. Okay, then 6 less than 28. Yes, this is also true. Then the next power of 2, which is 8. 8 6 plus 8, which is 14. Now it's getting added. 14. 14 is also less than 28. Then the next term after 8 is 16, which is 26. 26 is also less than 28. Then after the 16, which is 32, 58. Am I adding it correct? 2 plus 4, 6. 6 plus 8, 14. 14 plus 16, 30. 30 plus 32, 62. Have I done it right? Let's check. 2 plus 4 plus 8 plus 16 plus 32. Okay, let's check. This is 14, 30. Okay, this is itself the greater. Okay, 2 plus 4, 6. 6 plus 4 is 6 plus 8, 14. 14 plus 16 itself 30. Okay, now the L value becomes 30. Is 30 is less than 28? No, the condition fails. So the length is now 30 and the index is what? 2 power 16, which is 4. The index is 4 and the n value is 28. Now let's just try to understand that the two indexes 4. Okay, the current length. Okay, the current length. Okay, position. LNGTH is equal to position. I'm just assigned a variable position to the 2 power, at which power it is there. At which power it is there. Position is nothing but now 16, right? I think you will understand it because the index value is 4. 2 power 4 is nothing but 16. Position is not getting added anywhere. Decode that how we get the answer. For 28 the answer is 13. How do we get with these all these numbers? Let's try this. 28, which is nothing but 2 plus 4 plus 8 plus 16. Okay, that's right. 30, which is n is 28 minus 16 minus position, right? 28 minus position plus 1, which is 13. Let's check this for 5. The answer should be n minus position plus 1. Okay, let's check this for 5. For 5 the length will be 2 plus 4, 6. Yes, the index will be 2, position will be 4. 5, the answer is 2. 5 minus 4 plus 1. Yes, this works. Let's try to print it out. Print n minus position plus 1. I hope this is understandable and I explain in a detailed manner. See you in the daily challenge.